Hey beauties, it is me, Jessica Nicole, and in today's video I am doing this look. I think I did it before, but yeah, a lot of the eyeshadow looks weren't working out. I gotta give y'all something. But before we get into that, I want to shout out to the gang, okay? Y'all, especially Friday's video, the fact that my notification gang was in there as soon as I uploaded and I was missing for 2 weeks. Bruh. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias, and enjoy. Alright guys, so don't mind my face and don't mind this eye. It looks like this because I tried this same look that I'm doing now. Was supposed to be a halo eye because I didn't want to do a cut crease, but I was fighting with the look and I didn't want my eye to get swollen. So that's what you guys are gonna get. My face is halfway done, so we're gonna do that together. I'm not gonna let this shoot me down. You guys usually love my looks anyway. I feel like I've done something like this before other than the glitter here and, you know, whatever. The purple is not even showing up that well. I'm over this, okay? This is what you guys are gonna get for today. I promise next week, well, Friday will be better. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so base. I'm using the NYX white eyeshadow base. I wish I still had my milk stick because it works a lot better as a base than this does. I feel like this works better when I'm like cutting out my crease and stuff, but you gotta make do, okay? The only other way that I can do it to make the color pop is not setting my base. But I have a huge fear of creasing, so that ain't happening over here. Alright, so I'm just going to take this Ruby Kisses Set and Forget powder in translucent, and I'm just taking the butt of this sponge and I'm just setting this in place. My eyebrow is not even as great as this one. Like, I don't even know. Having a bad makeup day. Alright. You see color, you know what palette is going on. You know what palette I'm going to use. I'm going to use my Smashbox Covergirl Bold Eye palette. I'm going to go into the yellow shade, which is Bold. I'm going to blend this a little bit in my transition area. Going in with the orange shade, and that is Wait What? And my M511 from Morphe, and I'm just blending this into the crease. The first brush that I used was the M433 from Morphe. While I'm packing on that orange, I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of the yellow on my M433 again and just blend out those edges. I'm going to continue to do that while I'm applying other colors. So I'm going to pick up my C433 from Crown brush. I'm going to go into the red shade. And that red shade is Fling. I honestly go into the red and the purple shade more than I go into anything else in this palette. I'm going to pick up a tiny bit of the purple with the red. I do this just because it deepens up the red and gives it more of a vibrant color. I'm gonna go back in with the yellow. I mean the orange, sorry. And then picking up some of the yellow. Okay, so all blended. I'm gonna cut out my crease using that same base. I'm not gonna use a lot. I'm literally using like the tiniest amount. I just need enough to cut out my lid. But first, I'm going to go into the purple with this end of the brush. This is my Naked Heat brush. I'm just going to apply that right where the base ends. And bring it all the way out. And into my crease. This part was killing me because the purple wouldn't show up. And I was just getting super frustrated. Especially when I was trying to do the same look with the halo eye. It was pretty, but the purple and the red just weren't popping, so Now I'm going into my Makeup Geek eyeshadows, going into Cherry Cola and Americano. And I'm using the opposite side of the brush. And I'm just going to pop that on the outside. And I'm just going to leave it right at the crease area. I'm going to take the opposite side of the brush that has a purple and just the brush that I use. I'm going to go into Fortune Teller from my Makeup Geek shadows, which is this beautiful yellow shade right here. Alright, I'm just going to pack that onto the lid, and I'm going to be careful because there's fallout from the shadow. Where's that brush? Not for real, where's that brush? Okay. Going back in with the red shade and that same brush that I used before, which is the crown brush, C433. Packing on some of that red with the purple and the very beautiful yellow eyeshadow on me. To line my waterline, I'm using this Makeup Geek Full Spectrum Gel Liner Pencil, and this is in Royal, which is a deep purple. Go into the purple shade, and I'm just going to pack that underneath the lash line and bring it out. Then pick up the red and just blend underneath. So liners, of course, I'm going to use two. I use one to trace out, and then I use the other one because I want a matte liner. So I'm going to use this Covergirl one first. This is the one that I got in my PR package. I don't remember the name of it. I'm going to use that first. Never know where anything is. God. Using my NYX matte liquid liner just to go over it. I'm gonna line my crease out using the white liquid liner from NYX. Honestly, guys, as much as I hate this liner because it cracks, I haven't found anything as pigmented and that glides is good. So I have to take the cracking with it all because I'm not finding anything better. But yeah. Alright, so we're just popping on some lashes. Don't ask me in the comments, okay? Alright, so onto the inner corner, I'm using the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. I'm gonna just call it liquid eyeshadow from now on. I cannot be bothered with it. I cannot. Alright, just took this brush, picked it up on the brush, and I just pop that on top. And I bring it into the white line and down. Alright, so doing my makeup today, I realized I have a tan. So it's time to wear my summer foundation. So I'm just bronzing up the skin. Contouring my face with my Makeup Geek contour palette. This is in Scandal. Well, my Makeup Geek contour powder, and this is in Scandal. Highlight, I'm mixing. I'm going to use my MUFE and my LA Girl highlighter. I'm putting down my MUFE first. No. No. What? Let's go with the nude. I don't know where my Downtown Beauty is, so I'm gonna use Club Hopper. You know, Club Hopper to me has like a purpley undertone. Oh, I'm gonna use Buffy from Lime Crime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video.